Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome to the channel if you've never been here before. My name is Lisa. I'm the person, the person behind Witskill, and this is my first time vlogging and I have no idea what I'm doing, but I hope this will go well, so just stay with me and have some patience. So I started working on this project maybe a month ago, but I was contacted for it about 2 to 3 months ago, and it was supposed to stay secret, but now it is finally public, so I can finally share it with all of you guys, and there's people who are gonna see it. So I decided that I'm gonna do a vlog and I'm gonna tell you more about this project. So we are going to go on a trip. Let's go. So we have arrived at Afterhills Festival, but the sun is really killing me and it's really hot outside, so I'm just sitting here on the ground somewhere in the shadow, so it's a little bit better. So I'm gonna let you guys in on what's happening around here. Afterhills Festival has commissioned me to create 5 illustrations for them so they can use it inside the festival and also on the official merchandise of the festival. And that's kind of nice, that's kind of cool actually. I wasn't expecting this to happen. What's actually behind me is some kind of a artistic installation, I guess I could call it, but it's not functional right now because the festival hasn't really started. It's just the staff inside, but I'm gonna keep you guys updated on what's happening and how is it gonna change. So yeah, I'll show you guys the 5 illustrations. Those are like 2 meters on 2 meters. I don't know how much that is in inches, but it's pretty big. So there's 5 illustrations. That one is supposed to be the hair, that one is the wool, that's a deer, that's the bear, and that's the fox. Those are all 5, and they're all based on Romanian animals that you can find in our forest. What is happening? Yeah, there's people taking photos of my artworks. So we're finally back from the festival. The lighting is not great and I'm sitting on the floor, but yeah. Look, come on, come on, look.
Come on, yes.
So I guess that's a wrap. This is it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope the format's good. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want me to make more vlogs like this. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for the support, especially those of you guys who came to me in the festival and told me how much you like all the illustrations. I hope I get the chance to do cool projects like this again, and I hope I get the chance to vlog about it. If you guys want to stay updated, make sure to follow me on social media on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe to this channel if you want to see more content like this. Stay awesome, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.